Now, no one is ever really ready for Chicago's below zero weather or the severe dry skin that comes with it. It's like out of nowhere, your hands and your feet
You're itching
and
all
your
the time.
face. Right.
But you should ask if your dry, itchy patches that flake and sometimes hurt are just dry skin. It could be some symptoms of something more serious and understood, a skin condition called eczema. Take a look.
You've heard the saying before, a mother's love for her child is like nothing else in the world, so it's only appropriate that mother's love also comes with its frequent share of concerns. This mom of two is proof of that.
From the time my son was born, he had patches of dry, red, scaly skin, and he had redness and inflammation on his body. Each time I take him to the pediatrician, she'd tell me just keep him moisturized. But as he started to grow up, the dryness started to become more evident.
Determined to find a solution, she sought the advice of a dermatologist, where she learned that her son had eczema, or atopic dermatitis, a chronic lifelong skin disease that most commonly starts in childhood. It's characterized by dry, itchy, red, inflamed skin and scaly patches, most often on the inside of the elbows, backs of knees, and the trunk of the body.
Before I knew it was eczema, I thought it could be so many things. I became very conscious about everything. I started changing the detergent that I washed his clothes with, and I even started watching every little thing that he would eat, but nothing would work.
Yeah.
Interesting. A lot of people have this, right?
Yeah. So Dr. Jessie Chung, who's a dermatologist from DuPage Dermatology, joins us now to tell us what can really help. So good morning, welcome.
Thanks for having me. It's great to be here this morning.
We were having a whole conversation about all the people we know who have eczema and different skin conditions, but it's pretty prevalent. 1 in 10 adults?
Much more common than you think. There's so many people in Chicago walking around with dry, cracked, itchy skin, especially right now in the winter.
And kids 1 in 3. We're saying it could be debilitating too, because when you start to get those patches and you're embarrassed and you have to go to school and work, why is it like misdiagnosed or underdiagnosed?
I think it's underdiagnosed. A lot of people they just think it's just dry skin, and they go to the doctor, their pediatricians, they tell them to moisturize.
Right.
But it's really more than just that. It can be eczema. You know, it's a
Right.
bad cycle of itching and scratching and getting all irritated.
And how do you actually treat that, and how is it different from treating just plain dry skin? Right,
so eczema is usually treated with topical steroid creams. Problem with steroids is that they can thin out your skin, they can cause discoloration too. So what's nice is there are some new products out there that are not steroids that are very safe for eczema, and they don't cause those side effects.
Okay, tell us about
tell us about this. And this is something that we could use for other conditions too, right?
Yeah, this is Episerum. It's one of my favorite products. It's a very high-tech cream prescription. It's not a steroid, but it has the same effects as a steroid does. So it stops the inflammation that causes the itching for eczema. What it does, it keeps the moisture in the skin. It helps to rebuild that skin barrier. So when skin is impaired, irritation gets in through that skin barrier. So this is a mixture of free fatty acids, cholesterol, lipids. What that means is it keeps the water in the skin, repairs the skin barrier, and stops the itching.
So it's like a seal on top.
Exactly, yes, sealing the top and also fixing the inside of your skin.
And then we see different, so is there a cream? Is there a lip balm?
It's a cream, it's a cream, and there's a lip balm too. It's actually a really nice lip balm. So if you're licking your lips a lot in the winter time, it really just soothes that dry lip too.
So we could use this if we don't have eczema and we just have, you know, because as you get older, you get dry, and it seems like nothing helps. Because like we talk about this all the time, we're always using lotion, and it's like then your knuckles turn, and you're like,
right. If you're slathering creams on all day long, this is something that will stay in your skin and repair it from the inside. So it's more than just sealing in moisture; it actually repairs on the inside.
So is this something you can only get at the dermatologist? And how new is this? Because you know you've gone through things, and you're like, oh wait, what did I try already?
Sure,
so
this has actually been out for many years. Not many people know about it though, but most dermatologists love this because it's really taking the place of a steroid. So you're not worried about skin thinning, skin getting addicted to it, skin discoloration. It's very safe. Babies can use it. We love it.
Oh, really?
That's actually really sweet, because with some of the other treatments like UV treatment and things like that, it's kind of more intense.
They're intense.
And they're really not for kids too, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, no kid's going to stand still in a UV box, right? So,
here, honey, let me put this cream.
You're like,
let me put this cream on you. It's going to get better.
So this is something that we should ask for. If this is something we've been itching, we go to the dermatologist. We should basically ask.
It's a great alternative to a topical steroid. The efficacy is similar to that of a medium-strength topical steroid for treating eczema. So we get the same end results of treating it without the side effects.
Right.
That's really good. And I think we all kind of want that. And any parent that's looking to help their kid.
Who wants steroids? It's kind of scary.
It is. Well, thanks for coming in. We appreciate it. Your skin's beautiful, but I guess it's an occupational hazard, huh?
Thank you. Yeah.
She's 90, by the way, y'all, which is so amazing.
That's all the water.
Your skin looks so good.
There you go.
Yeah. All right. If you'd like to learn more about this treatment for skin conditions like eczema or atopic dermatitis, you can head to Episerum. How do you say it?
Episerum.
Episerum-us.com.